Choosing the right entry door for your home in Sugar Land isn't just about curb appeal. It's about durability, energy efficiency, and long-term comfort. With Texas heat, humidity, sudden storms, and strong sun exposure, not all door materials perform the same. The right choice can help protect your home, lower energy bills, and reduce maintenance headaches over time. Below are the best entry door materials for homes in Sugar Land's climate, explained with real homeowner needs in mind. Fiberglass doors. The top all-around choice fiberglass entry doors are one of the most popular options for Sugar Land homeowners, and for good reason. They are designed to handle extreme heat and humidity without warping, cracking, or swelling. Fiberglass doors provide excellent insulation, helping keep hot outdoor air out and cool indoor air in. This makes them a smart choice for energy-conscious households looking to manage summer cooling costs. Many fiberglass doors are also engineered with moisture resistance, which is critical in humid conditions. From a style standpoint, fiberglass doors are incredibly versatile. They can mimic the look of natural wood while offering far better performance in Texas weather. For homeowners who want beauty without constant upkeep, fiberglass is often the best balance. Steel doors. Strong, secure, and budget-friendly steel entry doors are another solid option for Sugar Land homes, especially for those prioritizing security and affordability. Steel doors are resistant to warping and provide a strong barrier against forced entry. When properly insulated, steel doors offer good energy efficiency and help maintain indoor temperatures during extreme heat. Modern steel doors often include protective coatings that prevent rust and corrosion, making them suitable for humid environments. However, it's important to choose a high-quality steel door with a durable finish. Lower-grade steel doors can dent or scratch more easily, and exposed damage may lead to rust over time. With proper care, though, steel doors can be a dependable long-term solution. Wood doors. Beautiful but high-maintenance wood entry doors are undeniably attractive and can make a striking first impression. They offer natural warmth and customization options that other materials can't fully replicate. That said, Sugar Land's climate can be tough on solid wood doors. High humidity, intense sun, and temperature swings can cause wood to expand, contract, or crack if not meticulously maintained. Regular sealing, staining, and inspections are necessary to prevent moisture damage. For homeowners who love the look of wood but want better performance, a wood-clad or fiberglass wood-look door may be a more practical alternative. Aluminum doors. Modern style with weather-resistant aluminum entry doors are gaining popularity for modern and contemporary homes. They are lightweight, resistant to moisture, and won't warp or rot in humid conditions. Aluminum doors often feature clean lines and can be paired with glass inserts for a sleek appearance. While they don't insulate as well as fiberglass or insulated steel on their own, many modern aluminum doors are built with thermal breaks to improve energy efficiency. For homeowners focused on modern aesthetics and low maintenance, aluminum can be a good option when paired with proper insulation. Choosing the right door for your home. The best entry door material for your Sugar Land home depends on your priorities: energy efficiency, maintenance level, security, or style. Fiberglass doors typically offer the best overall performance for the local climate, while steel doors provide excellent security and value. Wood doors deliver classic beauty but require extra care, and aluminum doors suit modern designs with minimal upkeep. Investing in the right entry door doesn't just enhance curb appeal, it protects your home from the elements and improves comfort year-round. A door built for Sugar Land's climate is one upgrade you'll appreciate every day you walk through it.